Hi, I am Ankit here with my project for the home encoder. First, I am connecting the DHT11 sensor, which is the temperature sensor, to the board. Next, I am connecting two jumper wires to the board, and I am connecting an LED. And next, I am connecting the resistor to that, so that it can resist the current. And next, I am connecting those two wires to the LED. And next, I am connecting the port to the laptop. Next, I am including DHT.h, and next I am defining the DHT pin, which is DHT pin 2. Next, I am defining the DHT type, which is DHT11. Next, I am writing the code DHT in a bracket DHT pin DHT type, and I am opening the void loop here, and in the void loop I am defining the pin mode of the LED, which is digital pin 7, as the output, and I want to print my result in the serial monitor. So I am typing the code serial.begin and 1600 bit data per second. Next, I am beginning the DHT. Next, I am opening the void loop, and I am floating h as DHT.read humidity. This is a function. Next, I am floating T is equal to DHT.read temperature, and another function. Next, serial.print is going to print that humidity, and in the next line serial monitor is going to print h, which is also humidity. In the next line, serial monitor will print temperature, and in the next line the serial print will print temperature T, which is also not temperature. Next, serial print opening bracket, inside the bracket T, and serial print okay, so a serial print ln that old. Okay, and if T is greater than 40, as we know, if the global warming increase, the temperature will also increase. So we can use the LED as a main factor. So I'm giving, if the temperature is greater than 40, so the LED can glow. So if the temperature of the earth increases, the LED will glow. So I am showing, you can see, to increase the temperature I am using a matchstick. So after that the LED will glow. As you can see, the LED has glown. So this is my project.